Your voice nice and sexy. I know myself do music and I hide from men I do music with people. Man, I must grudge on that.
Yeah, man, and you hear Queenie say her husband gonna do music behind her back, you see it? But Queenie not act like Dewey her husband still, no, she act like Dewey her son, you see it? Oh, she shouldn't have treat her son, her little fishy son. And some me say she a try boss up Dewey and a treat him still. But a long time I tell him, say, yo, Dewey, one compare with him bridging them and him family over great, you see it? And Queenie, anytime Queenie forward and Dewey forward, do we not get to link none of them bridging them? So a long time do we have plan to do this, you see it? And Queenie are going like the song and them thing they mash her up and things say do we do what they sing slack song and them sing. But I know that man. I just see youth there in the street and she don't know where the youth there. Yes, anybody have them couple of years, they might feel jealous over them and thing, but Queenie are the deep and it a mad way still. You know can be the judge still, that's just my opinion that still, but do we want the freedom long time, you see it? Yeah, man, and if you around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV, you see it? Yeah, man, but I don't know. We not like us some bad man, mother.
Whatever. So now I'm going to go get myself dressed to go and do my Girl Power Wednesday. And we're going to talk about many things. Dating, lating, whoring, touring, earning whatever, but we'll keep it nice and decent. Yeah, just I keep myself happy. Why not do it? Sitting in the house and think. Yeah. Yeah, I can go and live a young life. I pray for him to God be the glory. Be safe, my husband, and protect yourself. Lesbian, sodomite, happy-mite, termite, and mite. It's Cecily, what's up? Anyway, so we're going decently now. This is the boogie yeah part. So, it's better late than never. Feel like how me mad out him that mad out. Do it can't trick at me. Do it can't mad me out. I am the queen. So your friend can't mad me out, baby. If you know I'm a class and I'm a class and I'm a come. Do we mad out it? Any mad me, I'm mad him, I'm mad. Him and I am heart, man. Una do it can't trick me. I take care of him. And him not done me, I'm not done him back. Enough for put up with Dewey. I feel like Dewey I'm mad out as much as him. The say if me half a mad, him half a mad. If me full mad, him full mad. If me 3/4 mad, him 3/4 mad. Come, me have him name. None of that no can trick me. More and put my in a fear mouth. I don't feel like. You think the way I'm clot have my mouth? You think the way I have my clot energy and my strength when I wake up? I'm a husband. And him turning back against me. I'm gonna make friend with man who I don't like. Not the man, not even know the man. Them undermine me, and that make me rat them. Feel like. Do we not have nothing upon me? The world want to know me and the world love me. Hello? No, baby, what? I just there, I tell you, if I'm man in my head no good, because I see my husband a style me somewhere. And I don't like it, so I say, instead of my rent on the internet, I do a song. Yeah, I gotta do my. Yeah, man, thank you. Feel like, one thing, I am that woman. I mean, I have feelings that no can trick my daughter. My husband grew to this. You hear that? A prosperity and growth. I mean him from Jamaica. I said, do him, I love your voice the first time he bet upon the live. I say, you can do music, your voice nice and sexy. I know myself do music and I hide from that man. I do music with people. I must grudge on a dirty part and class, you know. I don't care, my bad and turbo, my all bad purpose. Well, I'm not be hypocrite, no. Yeah, well, I do I'm busy just doing my best, because you're not paying me no clock, man, because you're ungrateful no people. Me could have evil, so that's why I run and I hide. And I itch up on people, you know, none about, you know why I have no friend, you know why I have a stay down there with your friend there. I'm going to move on the wife. Ninja man have a son who end up on him say your wife becomes your second mother. She care about you, she look about you, she guide you. Move on the to not do it, come bum flicking and me come summer sauce and come deep blood sort in my dirty blood. See like. And then I think me have feelings, me I work that hard as an old man. No, that power when I have my energy. Here there, me get bookings to me and my husband. You run like a chick man, a chick. Now, me I put up on flight, then I turn up, I humiliate me, embarrass me, I shame me. You dey on internet, I talk about and a girl, I cuss her and I need girl. And me I tell her, do it, stop that, it don't sound good, do it. Remember, you have a wife, my mouth dirty already. Me beg you, do it, say, stop it, do it. You just a galang, move on the that to not do it, as me say, come death. Because one thing do it, put for me. I will take off the ring. You see, do we have a him ring? Do we don't even know when silver ring now him gold blue. Do we that show marriage long time? I mean I keep it up. I'm tired to keep it up now. So since I didn't have no respect and you not choose your words, me not choose none either. But me sing that clock song, me sing that some me sing that before you come in my life and I eat your son come give me. So now me I tell you, so do remember say me your wife and certain things that sound. Me if you sing cock up song and you wine for me, I'm a wine for you move on that I may build doing this. And if me seem turning back for me, I must feel something that way. I want to kiss out my last part and do it. Nobody can talk to do it. You're just stubborn. You're just unruly. Everybody has support you. You not try getting no support to me. You just left me alone. Just a girl and just a live. Me alone and get on. You malice me for Christmas Day. Me, you not talk to me till you come at airport the 5th of January. Then you come, you beat me up. You move out. And you just a girl and blood. Me just talk to him because I'm my husband. And it not change. Me still have my ring. Still I keep my sanity and my dignity. Move at it, burn me, I'm turn get me the second time, third time, I hold it for time you do it. Call in, put out voice note over King mix up. Yeah, I can tell people say I'm me send out the voice note. If you discriminate me, I'm send out voice note. Don't leave me alone, you know. What? You're not ready for me? Made I get mad. You say I don't want to talk, I'm not to talk out hurt and vexation. I feel betrayed again. Feel like every action comes, every action gives a reaction. If you go to and do so much discriminated thing to us, I go class, yeah? And then class, but I'm stressed out. You stress out over your action. Go and leave me alone with your fright wedding, trick wedding. God bless my daughter. Thank God for your wedding, sake. I'm still frightened over it. God bless the queen. And I take care. Yeah, bye. And I love people business too much. And I go compare YouTube. Bye now. My God. I can't believe it.